Do you feel the vibes?
Extreme tribute to racing legend offered in all current McLaren markets, but only 500 will be built. Car makers, like rock bands, often try to return to earlier glories. And like many of the stars of yesteryear, they often fail to pull it off. The modern McLaren Automotive is a very different company from the tiny offshoot of the Formula One team that created the original McLaren F1 more than 20 years ago, but it still returns to the lodestone of its original road car when it needs inspiration for crazier projects. No wonder, the McLaren F1 was truly off the chart. It was launched as the most expensive road car in the world, the fastest accelerating, the quickest overall and the first to be constructed around a carbon fiber tub. Not to mention the uniqueness of the three-seat layout and central driving position. It was the first hypercar, and all those that have followed have owed it a huge debt. None more so than McLaren's latest, most extreme offering. But before considering the car, we have to deal with the name, one which moves well beyond of the seemingly random alphanumeric combinations that the company has previously employed. Meet the McLaren Senna. Working with the Senna Foundation, McLaren has licensed the rights to use the name of its most famous driver, and there's some additional justification from the fact Ayrton's nephew, Bruno Senna, worked as one of the development drivers. There's a strong Ferrari Enzo quality to the moniker, and it's not as if McLaren Bruce would really work, but sticking the Senna name on anything runs the risk of serious hyperbole. Yet not here. The McLaren Senna is the most extreme road legal car the company has ever produced, one that's been engineered around the same obsessive weight-saving mission as the F1. So while the power output is certainly impressive, 588 kilowatts from a turned-up version of the 530 kilowatts 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 in the 720S, accompanied by 800 Nm of torque,